There's a secret door in Venice, and behind it there's a world you'd never expect. That's what we're exploring today. Welcome back. Most homes in Venice, Los Angeles, you see them right from the street. The front door is right there, not this one. For this home, you have to go around the side. You walk down a path through a gate, and suddenly the noisy, busy feeling of Venice is gone. It's quiet. It's private. It feels like you've discovered a hidden oasis, even though you're just steps from one of the most famous beaches in the world. That feeling starts the moment you arrive. Let's go see it together. First, look at the outside. The house looks clean and modern. The lines are straight and simple. It has a calm feeling. They used wood on parts of the front to make it feel warm. But here's something interesting. Some of what looks like wood isn't wood at all. It's a special metal made to look like wood. Why? Because here in California, fire safety is very important. This material keeps the beautiful look but is much safer. That's smart design. Around the front, they planted tall, tropical palm trees and lots of green plants. It makes the clean lines of the house feel more alive. It adds movement and life. There's a driveway here with space for 2 cars, and there's also a garage door. Inside that garage, there's space for 2 more cars. So you can fit 4 cars here easily, but the garage is more than just parking. We'll see that in a minute. Right now, let's go to the front door. This is where the home really begins. The front door is special. It's called a pivot door. Instead of opening on hinges at the side, it turns on a point in the center. It feels solid and grand when you push it open. And when you do, the first thing you notice is the light. So much natural light pours into the entryway. The ceilings are very high, which makes the space feel open and free. Hanging down is a beautiful, modern chandelier. It's like a piece of art. Right away, you know this home is about quality and design. It sets the tone for everything else. Now, step inside further. You walk into the main living area. This is the heart of the home. It's one big, open space. But the designers were clever. They made it feel like several different rooms, even though there are no walls dividing it. Over here, near the fireplace, is a conversation area. Imagine a comfortable sofa and chairs here. It's a perfect spot for talking with friends or relaxing with family. Over there, on that big empty wall, you could mount a large television. That could be the media area, a cozy place to watch movies at night. The space is flexible. You can use it how you want. But my eyes are drawn to the kitchen. Let's walk over there. The kitchen uses soft, neutral colors. Lots of warm white, cream, and natural wood tones. It feels peaceful and clean. The cabinets are made from a beautiful white oak wood. The countertops are a stunning stone called travertine. It has soft, natural patterns in it. The sink is integrated into the countertop. That means there's no raised edge or lip. The countertop flows right into the sink bowl. It creates a very sleek, seamless look that's easy to clean. Look at the hardware on the cabinets and drawers. The handles are in a brushed gold finish. It's not shiny or loud. It's a soft, warm gold that adds a touch of luxury. See above the stove, that's the vent hood to take away cooking smells and smoke. But you can barely see it. They hid it inside that beautiful travertine stone that continues up the wall. It's functional, but it doesn't ruin the clean look of the kitchen. That's great design. Appliances are important in a kitchen like this. All the major appliances here are from a top brand called Thermador. That's a sign of quality. The refrigerator and freezer are integrated. This means they are behind cabinet panels that match the rest of the kitchen. So instead of seeing a big stainless steel fridge, you just see more beautiful cabinetry. It keeps the kitchen looking unified and calm. On the other side, the oven and cooktop are visible. They are beautiful, professional, grade appliances. And storage. This kitchen has so much storage. The big island in the middle is full of cabinets and drawers. There's more storage on both sides of the appliances. Honestly, you could have all your dishes, pots, pans, and pantry items here and still have room left over. For anyone who loves to cook or entertain, this is a dream kitchen. Everything you need is right here, hidden away in a beautiful package. Right next to the kitchen is the dining area. They've defined this space with a large, textured rug on the floor. It adds warmth and comfort underfoot. The dining table is a dark wood, which creates a lovely contrast with the lighter wood floors. The chairs around it are also dark. It makes the table feel important, like the anchor of the room. Look up, the light fixtures above the table are unique. They have a rough, clay-like texture. It's different from the smooth stone and wood in the kitchen. It adds another layer of interest, and then there's this window. It's a floor-to-ceiling window that brings in a massive amount of light, but it does more than that. It perfectly frames the view of the backyard. You don't see other houses or the street. All you see is lush green plants. The people who built this home invested a lot in landscaping. They planted mature hedges and trees, so from inside you feel like you're in a private garden, not in the middle of a city. That feeling of privacy is priceless. Speaking of the backyard, let's go outside. Living in Southern California is all about the weather. Sunny days, cool breezes. To enjoy that, you need a home that connects to the outdoors. This home does that perfectly. The wall facing the backyard is almost entirely glass, and these aren't just normal doors. They are huge, minimalist sliding doors, and they don't just slide open a little bit. They slide completely back into pockets in the wall. They disappear. When they're open, there is literally no barrier between the inside living room and the outside patio. The two spaces become one big room. It's incredible for entertaining. You can have people flowing from inside to outside with no interruption. Now step outside. The backyard is designed to be easy to take care of. It has a deck made of a durable material. There's a space set aside for a swimming pool if you wanted to add one. There's also a separate spot for a hot tub. A water feature adds the peaceful sound of moving water. The ground is made of polished concrete, which matches the outside of the house. It's clean and modern. Even though it's low maintenance, it's full of places to enjoy. There's a seating area in one corner with comfortable chairs. Over there are sun loungers for soaking up the sun, and there's a dining table for eating meals outside. Upstairs, there are two terraces, one from the main bedroom and one from another room. So you have multiple outdoor spaces, but here's the best part. This private garden is amazing, but remember where we are. In just 5 minutes, you can walk to Venice Beach. So if you want, your backyard is also the famous Venice Beach boardwalk, the sand and the ocean. You get the best of both worlds, a private retreat and a world-famous beach. Let's head back inside. As we walk in, notice the details. Speakers are built into the ceiling, inside and outside, so you can have the same music playing everywhere. The lighting system is also integrated. You can set moods for different times of day. This is truly a home for entertaining. Look at this wall by the living area. It's made of that same beautiful travertine stone, but it has a fluted design. That means it has long vertical grooves cut into it. It adds texture and visual interest. Built into the bottom of this wall is an electric fireplace. You can turn it on for a cozy ambience even on a cool California evening. Look at these windows. Every window in this home was carefully placed. They don't look out onto the neighbor's wall or a busy street. They all look out onto greenery. The designers planted trees and shrubs right outside every window. So no matter where you are in the house, you feel surrounded by nature and privacy. You could forget you're in a neighborhood at all. Near the front door, they created a very useful little space. It's like a modern mudroom. It's a small nook where you could take off your shoes, hang a coat, or drop your bag when you come home. It keeps the main entryway clean and tidy. It's a simple but smart idea. Let's peek into the powder room. This is the bathroom guests would use. They made it a statement. They used the fluted travertine stone on the walls again. There's a nice sink and even a little niche in the wall for towels. And yes, it has a window too, looking out at more plants. Every single room has that connection to light and nature. Now, let's see the garage. We saw the door from the outside. Inside, it's a clean, finished space. It's not just a concrete box. There's a side door for easy access and, of course, the door into the house. At night, lights turn on and shine upwards on the plants outside the garage door, making it look nice. Even the garage feels like part of the home's experience. Now, I want to show you one of the smartest parts of this house. Back near the entrance, there's another door. Behind this door is what they're using as an office right now, but it's so much more. This whole section of the house can be closed off and made completely separate. It has its own small kitchenette with a sink and cabinets. It has its own full bathroom with a shower, and it has its own private staircase that goes upstairs to 2 bedrooms. What does this mean? It means this wing could be a separate apartment for guests, for family members, or for a live-in helper. Or you could use it as a fantastic home office, just like it is now. The door can be closed, and that part of the house is quiet and private. This kind of flexible design is perfect for modern life. Families change, needs change, and this home can change with you. The office itself is beautiful. Look at this desk. It's a work of art with glass and interesting shapes. And the doors here are bifold glass doors that open all the way, so you can work with a fresh breeze coming through. It's a wonderful space. Okay, we've seen the main floor. Now let's go upstairs. The staircase is a modern, minimalist design. As you go up, you see those high ceilings again, letting light filter down. At the top of the stairs, you're on a bridge. You can look down and see the front door far below. It's a dramatic, beautiful view. Hanging above you are gorgeous light fixtures. They look like strings of pearls or smooth beach stones. It continues the coastal feeling of the home. Upstairs, there are 4 bedrooms. That includes the main bedroom suite. Let's go there first. You enter the main suite through a little hallway. On your right, before you even get to the bedroom, is a big dressing room. It's a walk-in closet with hanging rods on 2 levels, so you can hang long dresses and shorter shirts. There are shelves for shoes or handbags. It's a very organized, spacious closet. Every home needs good storage, and this one has it. Now, walk into the bedroom. It feels calm and spacious. The bed is centered on the wall. On either side of the bed are symmetrical windows letting in balanced light. At the foot of the bed are 2 comfortable chairs. It's a nice spot to sit and put on your shoes or just relax. And look, the same huge sliding doors are here. They open from the bedroom straight onto a private terrace. Imagine having your morning coffee out here in the fresh air, surrounded by treetops. It's completely private. You can step out from your bedroom into your own little outdoor haven. Now let's see the bathroom. The en-suite bathroom is like a spa. In the center is a beautiful freestanding bathtub. On either side of it are 2 vanities, 2 sinks, so 2 people can get ready at the same time without crowding. They used the travertine stone again here, on the floors and the walls. It creates a serene, cohesive feeling. Look up at the ceiling. There are 2 long, narrow skylights. Sunlight streams down through them and moves across the stone walls during the day. The light and shadows create a living piece of art on the walls. It's a beautiful detail. The shower is huge. It's practically a double shower. There's a shower head on one side and another on the other side. 2 people could shower at the same time comfortably. And around the corner is the toilet, tucked away in its own little room with a door for privacy. They thought of everything. Right outside the main bedroom door, in the hallway, is a utility room. That's where the washer and dryer are. It's so convenient to have it upstairs near the bedrooms. By the way, if you buy this home, you can even buy it with all the furniture you see. so you could move right in with everything already perfectly placed. Now, let's see the other bedrooms. The first guest bedroom is near the main suite. It's a good-sized room with a comfortable bed. It has a big window that lets in lots of light, with a frosted glass panel at the bottom for extra privacy. This room has its own private bathroom attached to it, an en-suite. The bathroom has both a bathtub and a shower, and it also has a walk-in closet, so guests would have plenty of space and feel very much at home. Now remember that separate wing downstairs, the office with its own staircase. Let's go up that staircase. It leads to 2 more bedrooms. These 2 rooms are like a pair. They are very similar. Each one has a built-in cabinet made of that nice white oak wood. You could put a television in the middle of the cabinet and have storage all around it. Each room has its own private bathroom with a shower, and one of these bedrooms has sliding doors that open onto that upper terrace we saw from downstairs. So someone staying in this wing has their own bathroom, their own closet space, and access to an outdoor terrace. It's incredibly private and perfect for older kids, guests, or family. That wraps up the tour of this amazing Venice home. It's for 200 square feet of living space on a 800 square foot lot. But more than the numbers, it's about the feeling. It's a private, quiet, low-maintenance sanctuary. Every detail, from the hidden kitchen vent to the greenery outside every window, was chosen to create peace and privacy. And yet, you are in the middle of one of the most exciting parts of Los Angeles. We can't talk about a Venice home without talking about Venice itself, so let's step outside for a moment. Venice Beach is just a short walk away. And it's not just any beach. It's an experience. There's the wide, sandy beach for long walks. There's the famous skate park where you can watch amazing skaters. There's the basketball courts, the Muscle Beach gym, and the quirky boardwalk with artists, shops, and street performers. There are great restaurants and cool cafes hidden in the streets. The energy is creative, active, and completely unique. To have this as your neighborhood while coming home to a quiet, private oasis is a very special way to live. We hope you enjoyed this deep look into this special Venice home. If you did, please help our channel Winds of Thought by liking this video. It lets us know you enjoy these tours and helps us bring you more. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you on the next tour.